Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Yage. Today I am making prawn linguine. This dish is so tasty. You need to stay tuned to find out exactly how I make this. See you in a bit. Guys, so the main ingredients we need are some jumbo king prawns and linguine, and everything else will be listed below in the description box for you, so check it out. Okay, so what I'm doing now is just pouring in some olive oil into my pan, and then some chopped garlic along with some sliced red onions, of course. Okay, and then we're just going to let that saute for a bit. Whilst I'm doing that, I'll be getting my linguine ready in some salty water and some oil. Okay, back to my sauteed onions and garlic. It smells divine in the kitchen. I love this mix together. Okay, do stir so there will be no burning involved, but yeah, we'd use to eat a little bit as well. Okay, now I'm just adding in some chopped chili in there. You can add a bit more or a bit less, but I've only put one in there, but again, that's down to your preference. Okay, and then some jumbo king prawn goes in. Okay, so it's nice and grey now. To know when it's cooked, it starts to turn a bit pink, which you will see in a second. There you go. Okay, and I'm also adding in some normal king prawns because I like to have ones that I don't have to dish out as well at the same time. But yeah, I do love my seafood. Okay, now I'm just adding in some DWD mix in there. If you have some seasoning that you do like, you can add that in. But if you do want to get some DWD seasoning, just comment below and we'll try and make that happen for you. Okay, as you can see, some of the sauce is coming out as it's boiling, which is amazing. And my linguine, it's done. So it was boiling for about 10 minutes. Okay, back to my king prawns. Okay, I'm just adding in some jarred tomatoes and peppers along with some olive oil, black pepper, sugar, and a few other bits actually. But yeah, do check out my description box to find out exactly what ingredients I use for this amazing dish. Now it's getting a bit saucy. Okay, just added in a little bit of black pepper, and again stir it through. Again, you can always add a bit more sauce if you want to, so a bit more dried tomatoes, you can add a bit more of that, but I do like it like this. Well, it depends on my mood, if I want extra saucy or not extra saucy, whatever the word is. Okay, and then add in a little bit of parsley to the mix. That gives it a different taste. Okay, and now I'm just pouring in my king prawn mix into my linguine. It's usually better if I pour it the other way because then I just toss the pan and I don't have to stir. But yeah, I didn't wear it through and I wanted a little bit more linguine, so I had to pour it into the pot instead. Look at that, guys, absolutely divine. So tasty. You really need to try it out. Wow. Okay, I really hope you've enjoyed this recipe as much as I love to cook it. If you have, and if you do, don't forget to comment below and give it a massive thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. And stay healthy, stay safe, and stay sweet. See you soon. Bye.